Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday. We have made it to day number 122 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And today is August the 26th of 2025, right? So we're back here with another video, guys. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about in this video, we are shooting a 365-day challenge, a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer on ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets. Okay, we're putting those two together, and we're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year of promoting this program. All right. So if you guys have not been following along with these videos, please go back and watch these videos starting from day number 1 so you can kind of get up to speed and kind of see what we're doing, where we've been going, okay, and where we're at right now. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right to it. We made it to day 122. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to the My Legion secret system. Guys, this is what the My Legion secret system is. Okay. Now, if you don't know what it is, My Legion Secrets is a email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So you may know them as business opportunity subscribers. All right. So the people that are coming onto this list, guys, these people are looking for ways to make money online. All right. So that's what these people care about. All right. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find programs and find offers that are related to making money online. We create an email and we send it to this traffic right here. And somehow fireworks happen. We get results. We get subscribers. Okay. You kind of know how it goes, right? So, this is kind of what it is, guys. This is what your back office would look like if you guys were to get started today. Your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. Now, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. Okay. I totally love the service. Okay. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that this stuff does work. It does convert. And I recommend you guys getting started because, I've earned income with My Legion Secret, not only with My Legion Secret itself. Okay. I've earned income with ClickBank. Every week right now, I'm getting paid every single week. Okay. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys, what it looks like. Okay. If you guys were to come in and get started. All right. So, now there's going to be a few ways that you can make money with My Legion Secrets. Now you can come here. Let's see here. Let me go to these emails. Now you can go, let me go to affiliates. Okay. Now you can go here and promote the service. Okay. You can promote My Legion Secrets by using these emails right here and earn income. Okay. By using your affiliate link, it's going to give you your affiliate link down here at the bottom. Okay, so you can promote this, okay, to make money. Now, also another way you can earn income is by promoting other people's programs, okay, business opportunity offers, okay. Now you can go to networks such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. There's tons of different programs that you guys can go to and you guys can use. You don't actually have to use ClickBank, but I'm just using ClickBank for this series because it's super easy to do. And you can get started today. You can sign up today and get started by promoting some of those free offers on ClickBank. So that's why we're using ClickBank. Okay. So, and then also ClickBank is free. Okay. It doesn't cost you anything to get started. All right. Now, where you're going to be hanging out at, guys, is in the mailing system. This is where you send out all your emails. Okay. So you would pretty much click here and then you would come down right here. I'm going to just show you how easy it is to send out an email. Super easy to do. You select all, and then that's just going to select all the emails that you have in your back office. And then you're pretty much going to come here and you're going to put in a subject line and you're going to put in a body of text. Okay. Now, the cool thing about this My Legion secret, guys, down here, as you can see, I've already sent out my emails for today. You can come in every single day and send out one email per 24 hours. Okay. Which is pretty cool. Okay. So every day you're able to get in front of brand new people every single day. Okay. Now, what separates the two as far as you getting 100 leads versus 200 leads is dependent on how many accounts that you have. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secrets, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. Right now I have 8 different accounts. It takes me anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day, guys. It's super easy to do. Okay. So that's going to determine how many subscribers that you are getting per day. Okay. Now, if you want to get multiple accounts, all you pretty much got to do, I did leave a link below this video. So let me go ahead and go to it real quick. So if you guys go here and go ahead and get started today, click on this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. Get started here today. Okay. And it's only going to be a one-time charge of $60 and $30 a month to keep the service. Okay. It's just a no-brainer, $30 a month for you guys to get unlimited traffic coming into this, your back office every single day. Okay. Which is pretty awesome. All right. So, and then after a while, as you long as you stay with My Legion Secrets, you're gonna get thousands and thousands and thousands of people in your back office. Okay, with my 8 accounts, I have over 1 million subscribers, guys. So I have an unlimited amount of traffic that I could use at my fingertips that I can go out and promote different offers to, okay, and make money online offers. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's kind of the ways of how you're going to do it. Right here, like I said, this is where you're going to send out all your emails. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I think I went. Okay. Let me close this out. This is where you guys get started at. And then this one right here is where you're going to send out your email. You're going to look for that subject line and your body of text. Now, the cool thing about the offers that are on ClickBank, they all have pre-written email swipes that you can use. Okay. You actually don't have to go out there and find emails. Now you can go use AI or something like that to create these emails, but you can come here to the vendor and go to these free email swipes that are with the vendor. Okay. And you can come out and you can send out all 20 emails. And you can just keep rinse and repeat, just keep sending these same emails over and over and over again. And then you're going to see the power of this offer and see how this thing works. Okay. When I first started, guys, I just came through here and I just sent out email 1, email 2, email 3. I just kept coming in here every single day. Okay. When I got down to 20, okay, I just pretty much started back at 1. Okay. And I just did the same thing over and over and over again. And then after a while, I started to venture out and just, repurpose these emails. Okay. But these emails, if you're just somebody getting started, these emails work. Okay. These emails will get you paid. All right. Doesn't matter who you are. All this stuff is just a numbers game, guys. You get a certain amount of people looking at your offer. Somebody's going to be interested. Somebody's going to subscribe, and you're going to earn a commission, possibly. Okay. So, pretty much all you would have to do with this email, let me just show you the breakdown of this email and what it looks like. Okay. You're going to have a subject line right here. Okay. And this subject line matches up with this subject line right here. Okay. Boom, right there. So, you take that and you're going to take this right here, and this is the subject line. You're going to control C, come over here to the mailing system, and then you're just going to control V. Boom, super easy to do. And then you're going to come down to this body of text right here, and you're going to make sure you click on perfect time and make sure there's a check mark clicked in there. And you're going to just remove this right here, and you're going to come back to this offer, and you're going to come to the body right here, and you're just going to grab this body, right? Super easy, guys. Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and then Control V. All right. Super easy to do. Okay. And then what you're going to do is where it says hi name right here, we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. You don't want to leave it like that. You want to come up here. These codes right here, guys, is what we will be using for our emails. And the only one that we're going to be using is his first name. We're always going to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. We don't want to address them by their last name or their first and last name because that sounds kind of weird, right? But spammy, really. But if you're addressing them by their first name, it kind of, it gets, where they're more familiar with you if you're just calling a person by their first name, okay, in an email. So I'm going to take this out and Control V, right? You see that right there? So when this email goes out, it's going to say like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, whatever your name is, right? And then it goes into the email. Okay. And it tells them the opportunity and the income possibilities that they can be making. Okay, which is really really good. All right, and then the cool thing about these emails, why what I like them, is because they have a bold text down at the bottom of every email, so you know where to put these clickable links. So right here where it says click here, and then you have another one down here. It's going to say click here, right? And if we actually go back to the email that we're sending, which is 20, I just picked a random email, guys. At the bottom, it says hit this link to apply. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to turn this right here, this bold text, into a clickable link. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here and grab this hop link right here. Underneath every video, there's going to be a hop link, your personal link that goes directly towards you. Okay. That way you get the commission for whenever you're sending these emails out. Okay. And then all you got to do is you got to control C, just copy that. And what you're going to do right here, guys, pay close attention. You're going to take out this where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, and you're going to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. That way you get the credit for this. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and highlight that. Okay. And click on this link tab right here. This is where it's at. Boom. And then control V. All right. We're going to take this out. Remember, we got to take this out, and we want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Don't put in mine, but put in yours. Okay. And then go ahead and click on OK. Now, what that does, it turns that link into a clickable link. That way, you can click on it when our prospect clicks on this link, it takes them to our affiliate page, and our affiliate page, guys, does all the selling and telling for us. All we got to do is get them there. Okay. So, and then we come down here, guys, we click preview to make sure the link works. And then we come back here and we click on send now. Okay. This is how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. This is what I'm telling you guys. It's just super easy to do. If you can copy and paste, you can do this method, guys. It's just a no-brainer. And if you don't remember what I'm saying right now, if you don't have no idea what I'm talking about, go back and rewind this video, okay, and kind of watch this again. Doesn't matter how many times it takes you to get it. Rewind this video as many times as you need to. That way you can understand what's going on. And also go back and watch my previous videos. I kind of go in a little bit more detail on everything. But this is pretty much it. I just kind of sum it up for you on how to send out an email. And this is what I'm going to do for you guys in this video series. You're going to be able to skip ahead if you want to, in these next videos, or videos before. You can always skip ahead just to see the results if that's all you care about. But if you're new and you're new to this platform and you're new to this method, guys, I recommend watching these videos from start to finish. So this thing can become second nature for you when it comes to sending out these emails. All right. So I just showed you guys how to send out an email. Super easy to do. Let's go ahead and hop on over here to ClickBank. Okay. We've been sending out emails every single day. Okay. Now what I like to do is today is the 26th, and let's go back the 26th of last month, and these are the results from the last 30 days. Okay. We've been earning income every single week. Okay. Every single week we've been earning income. Okay. So this just shows you the sales that are possible when it comes to doing this method, guys. Like this type of stuff that you guys can do. Okay. And it's, pretty much nothing to it, guys. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys the results, and what we're getting every single week. Okay. You will get results from this. All you got to do is just come in here, guys, and send out emails every single day. Okay, and that's all you have to do is come in here and send out emails every single day, and you will earn income with this method. All right. Now, I've been receiving paychecks, every single week with this ClickBank account. I have multiple ClickBank accounts, but I've created this one ClickBank account just for you guys, just for this method. The sole purpose, just for one offer, okay, that we're promoting. And you can see that we have been earning income every single week. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys the results so far these last 30 days. As you can see, we've been consistently earning income. As you can see, it started off small. Okay. And then we started to work our way up, guys, and started to work our way up even more and more and more, guys, to where we're earning income. Okay. So right now we're only in month 4, guys. So it's going to take a little bit of time to get this thing off the ground. Okay. But once this thing gets off the ground, we're going to be rocking and rolling. All right. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys the results from ClickBank, our weekly paychecks that we're getting. And then also show you just, a bird's eye view of the past 30 days. That way you can see that the consistency of every week that we are making money with this program. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.